absolute value works on the concept of distance from 0. So when I say the absolute value of 5, I'm asking myself how many steps from 0 is the number that's inside the absolute value. And so if I'm 5 steps from 0, I could be out here, or I could be out here, and both of those numbers are 5 steps from 0. So if I actually have an equation like this, I'm saying in this equation, find an answer so that this expression is less than 5 steps from 0. So if it's less than 5 steps from 0, it is somewhere between those two numbers in that interval. So it is actually somewhere less than positive 5 or greater than negative 5, because that's that interval. And then you would just solve it like you normally solve inequalities. And then, of course, just divide by 2. So we would have our answer. Now, when you look at these things, every time you have an inequality that is less than, that is the rule. You're going to take what's inside the absolute value bars, put it in the middle, and it's going to be less than the positive of this number and greater than the negative of that number. Now let's look at one that's greater than. So this one is greater than 5, and I'm asking myself, what's the answer to make this expression greater than 5 steps from 0? And if I look at a number line, and this is 0, 5 steps from 0 would be out here or out here. Greater than 5 steps from 0 would be out here or out here. So if I want to fit that to an equation that I can solve, I'm saying that my expression is either less than negative 5, because all these numbers are less than negative 5, or greater than positive 5. And the way I would write that is less than negative 5 or greater than positive 5. And I would simply solve that just like I did the inequalities that had the ors in them. Divide by 2. And so if you were to graph this one, it would actually end up being a union. So this answer is actually less than negative 1 or greater than 4.